Hope you've been doing good. Well, Bitcoin has broken out of a range. Okay, it's been chopping around for a week, around 84, 85, 86, and now it's suddenly broken out. The market's come back. The market's been really choppy. Okay, so the market had the other day went down, and then the market Bitcoin decouplated from it. You know, Bitcoin went the opposite way. You know, money is moving to safety. So money moved into Bitcoin, and now it's coming up. See, look at the chart. Let's look at the long-term chart here. It tends to overshoot. You put your stop loss right around the support level, right around the trend line, you're gonna get taken out. It shoots over to take out all the stops, and then it goes higher. And this is very positive. See how we see this trending shape pattern showing up. It could drop a couple. It'll consolidate for a couple days, then it'll go higher. I'm thinking we're gonna go hit new highs within the next month or two. We're gonna hit new highs within the next month or two. I'm saying that right now. You're gonna see it right here. Look at that. Let's look at the weekly. This is weekly. Each bar is a weekly. See? Look at the trend line. It overshoots and it's gonna go higher. We're gonna go higher, guys. You know. The tariffs is gonna, you know, China and the United States are they're gonna figure something out, and then it's gonna shoot the market higher. The market always finds a reason to sell off. You know, they find a reason to sell off so the guys can get in, so the big guys can get in. The funds are getting in. When all the bad news are in, when everyone's all scared, the funds are buying. You know, the big boys are buying. Trump and his guys are buying. They'll figure it out, and then the market's gonna go new highs again. That's the Bitcoin. Okay, let's look at some of the other stocks right now. Let's look at some of the other coins going on. Ethereum's up around 10%. It's about the same, 10% in the last week. XRP is coming back up, $2.22. Okay, Dogecoin 17 cents, up 16% in the last week. Cardano 12%. So they're all coming out about the same. Got Bloomberg. See that? Some people are expecting the standoff for China to de-escalate. They're expecting, so you know they're gonna work something out. And then Musk, we're here. Elon Musk says he's gonna limit his time with Dodge and focus on Tesla. So you know Tesla's gonna come back up. If you want to start buying some Tesla, you can start buying some here. Slowly add to your positions, guys. Okay, let's look at some of the stocks. Okay, let's look at some of the. Let's scan through the stocks real quick. We may be breaking the trend right here. We may be doing a trend reversal. Look at this. Draw the trend line up here. It might be breaking the trend line and come back up. And it's going to move back up. Just the other day, we're back down at 95 for NVIDIA. Now it's 102 already. Everything's kind of moving in the same kind of pattern. Look at this. PLTR. Palantir, it's going to go higher. It's gonna break out right here. It's gonna go higher. Tesla 250. Tesla is still chopping around. No, even with the news. We gotta give it. I would wait for it to come up, pull back, and then buy it. You want to wait for it to pull back a little bit, and then go higher. So you're gonna buy it on the dip. Okay. Intel looks like it's kind of bottoming out with all these guys got good candle. Google, AMD looking good, coming back up. Rivian's been around this area for a long time. Microsoft. So all the patterns are very similar. Wait for it to go higher, pull back, and then buy it. That's how it goes. That's how it should be. All right, guys. All right. That's it for today. Hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow. Good luck.